Atlanta, Georgia. Want to print money? Build a compact crossover. Sounds like a fantastic plan, but how are you affected when the buyers of the small utes are seeking something after some more space for one more step in life? That's the question Buick is wanting to answer while using refreshed 2019 Envision. You may protest which the Envision merely has been on sale for 25 months after launching in December of 2016. Chief Engineer Rick Spina rationalized this selection for an early refresh during his discussion of what's new and different to the 2019 model. They are crucial tweaks at a customer perspective, he stated. We should make sure performance and technology are keeping pace. Buick tweaked top and rear fascia with the 2019 model year, with all the most notable tell being the wings protruding from your badge about the grille. HID headlights are standard through the range and LED headlights accompany turbocharged powertrains. The Envision also now rides on 19-inch wheels. Technological upgrades add a revised microphone, an air ionizer, and faster heating. To determine if Spina's goals were accomplished, we evaluated the 2019 Envision with a technical single-lane road on our long ago to the Atlanta suburb of Alpharetta from your Appalachian Mountains. We sampled the top-level Premium 2 trim, which uses the optional turbocharged 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder making 252 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, aforementioned is up 35 lb-ft within the outgoing version. The engine is mated to some 9-speed automatic transmission new towards the 2019 Envision that sends capacity to all four wheels using a variant on the twin-clutch all-wheel drive system located in the Buick Regal GS and Turks. A 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder making 197 horsepower and 192 lb-ft of torque could be the standard engine on lower-tier Envision permutations. The carryover from your 2018 model comes paired into a 6-speed automatic. Winding the ute over the well-paved Georgia roads, I was amazed at the Envision's great steering feel and near-flat handling. Powering up hills would be a breeze and braking within the way back slow the automobile in a predictable and confidence-inspiring manner. Driving the SUV entailed little drama and set it up time to appreciate some from the features Buick as part of the update. We don't have acceleration figures yet, but Buick claims a near half-second improvement above the previous iteration in the Envision. Given that this would be the highest spec package, interior amenities are dedicated to comfort. There's a heated controls, 3-zone climate control by having an air ionizer, and leather seats with both heating and ventilation. Materials are solid as well as the Foxwood trim constitutes a strong statement without cheapening the look. My only gripe while using layout is by using soft touchback controls, which don't give any feedback via feel or sound. It also has a odd gauge-like clock that feels unnatural in the top right on the center stack. Our testers were set to their maximum with available safety technology, such as most up-to-date version of Buick's Driver Confidence Package. It also has adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The engine start-stop very easily toggled on and off inside the 2019 Envision, the first for Buick since start-stop's introduction. Given until this will likely be a suburban runabout for a lot of drivers, it only made sense for Buick to update the Envision's car park game. Parking aids include rear cross-traffic alert, side blind zone alert, and rear park assistance with GM's vibrating seat alert because an obstacle gets near. A hands-free liftgate is thrown into the mix for all those carrying an entire load of groceries. Mobile devices may also find the cabin to become a friendlier place. The infotainment system uses an 8.0-inch screen and features Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There are two USB ports in advance in addition to some wireless charging slot built in the center console. The 2019 Buick Envision Premium 2 we tested costs a healthy $48,040, but buyers can hop right into a base model for $32,990, which undercuts competitors from Acura, Lincoln, and Lexus. Every trim level for the refreshed model undercuts pricing through the previous year by about $1,000, so Buick is banking on buyers recognizing the brand's value play. Buyers trying to find peak mid-tier luxury should offer the 2019 Envision having a look. It's positioned for the value end in the market and possesses the build quality and driving chops that belie the lower-end price. The higher trim levels are filled with safety and convenience technology to hold drivers around the road and linked with their devices. Buick says this may be the third highest selling model in the portfolio, along with the most recent battery of changes should boost its relevancy inside an ever more competitive segment. The brand can be looking to further capitalize on current owners, so people who currently own an Encore and try and shuffle up with the Buick ranks may find another dependable cube inside the Envision. 2019 Buick Envision specifications. Spring. Price $32,990, $48,030 BAS tested. Engine 2.0 liters turbocharged DOC 16-valve inland four 252 HP at 5,500 revolutions per minute, 295 lb-ft at 3,000 revolutions per minute. Transmission 9-speed automatic. Layout 4-door, 5-passenger, front engine, AWD SUV. EPA mileage. NA. LXWXH 183.7 by 72.4 by 66.8 inches, wheelbase 108.3 inches, weight 4,083 pounds, 060 miles per hour, NA. Top speed. NA.